This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your drawing tablet to Krita. First, ensure your tablet is physically connected to your computer, typically via a USB cable. Next, it is crucial to install the most current drivers directly from your tablet manufacturer's website. These drivers are essential for your tablet to communicate properly with your computer and Krita, enabling features like pressure sensitivity. After installing the drivers, always restart your computer to fully apply these important changes. Once your tablet is connected and drivers are installed, open Krita. Go to the Settings menu and select Configure Krita. In the Configuration window, find Tablet Settings. Here, you will need to choose the correct input system for your device. For many modern tablets, Windows 8 plus pointer input, also known as Windows Ink, is the best option. This selection is vital for ensuring proper pressure sensitivity and pen functionality. Remember to restart Krita after making these adjustments. After configuring Krita, create a new canvas and test your tablet. Draw a few lines to confirm pressure sensitivity is working correctly. If you encounter problems, a simple fix is often to unplug and then replug your tablet. Also, check for conflicting tablet drivers. Uninstall any old drivers before installing new ones. If you experience delays or unwanted pop-up menus, try disabling Windows Ink within your tablet's own driver settings, as this can sometimes resolve such issues. To further enhance your drawing experience, customize Krita's workspace. Arrange dockers, such as brushes, layers, and color selectors, to suit your preferences. You can also fine-tune the global pressure curve in Krita's tablet settings to achieve your desired pen feel, making strokes softer or harder. Enable palm rejection to prevent unintended marks when your hand rests on the tablet. Finally, save your personalized workspace layout so your tablet setup remains consistent every time you open Krita.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.